Hello, this is Tim Sedlak here with a demonstration of some of the advanced configuration features of Micro Focus's Active Directory Bridge 2.0. Let's jump right in and I'll tell you what I'm going to demonstrate here is how you can use policy to force a configuration. And in my example, I'll automatically install the Nano editor on any Linux box that joins my Active Directory. And I can even special case configuration. So where I have a Red Hat server in AWS, you'll see I can install Firewall D. Now these configurations are for OS applications or services, and you can do complete configuration or partial configuration. You'll also know that for robustness and security reasons, it's locally cached, it's validated, and it's persisted. So we'll review that in an upcoming demo. But for now, let's jump in and show you how you can configure your Linux servers by using very simple Active Directory policy. So here I have my cloud-based Linux servers. I've got a couple group policies here for custom cloud app we'll review in another demo. And you see another full policy that belongs to my entire OU that says nano install. Now I've highlighted the cloud-based Linux servers here. I've got my nano install. And for AWS, I've got a very special policy that also installs Firewall D. Let's take a look at that policy that allows me to install the Nano editor on any Linux box. I'll go into the editor, and you'll notice under execute command, I've got a command here. I can have any command I want and have it run once. In my case, I've got the yum install of the Nano editor. Very simple, and what this will accomplish for me is to roll out that Nano installation to all my cloud-based Linux servers so that whether it exists in AWS, Azure, or Google, there'll always be the same editor there for me set by policy. I don't have to go run this install locally. I don't have to even log in to do it. The policy agent handles it all for me. Here's what that looks like in the logs. As I go execute the policies, you'll notice that command actually gets run. In this case, it's already run, so it doesn't need to be run again. So it just gets skipped. Now, the same thing is true on the Google boxes, on my Azure boxes. And here I can go open the Nano editor, make any changes, write a file out, but it's just nice to know that it's always there for me. This was a very simple demonstration of how you can use policy to automatically configure these remote resources that live anywhere in the cloud or on-prem for that matter. So with Active Directory 2.0, you have Active Directory Bridge 2.0, you have the capability to do that kind of control over your configuration automatically. For more information, here's the link to get to AD Bridge.